Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that we were looking at is market share of the different PCs sold. One of the questions I asked a lot in 2025 is how many PCs that are selling out there are AI PCs, have an NPU or are Copilot+PC compatible. Most of us have, standard x64 PC. I don't have an NPU. It would show up here. If you have an NPU, your task manager actually will show it. And 2026 is the year where I'm thinking of probably getting something that will be compatible for the future. We'll see, and of course, it will depend on the price. But two numbers came out of me while doing some search. And one is from Lenovo, the biggest PC maker in the world. Right now, kind of showing that year over year, PC sales last year are up 10%, which is an amazing jump and a pretty good number of PCs sold. And they actually have issued the number of Copilot+PC or AI-capable PCs with NPUs that are sold versus standard x64 PCs, and they say that 33% of PCs sold are NPU and are AI capable. So 1/3 of all their PCs, one out of every 3 PCs sold by Lenovo is an AI PC. And they said that number is growing very fast. So that is interesting. The other number comes out of HP. HP, which also has an increase in sell year over year last year, says that in their case, 30% of PCs sold are AI capable. So it's not very far from the 33 out of Lenovo. And that means also almost 1 in 3 PCs sold from HP is an AI capable PC. And both companies are saying that they are pushing hard on the PC, the AI PC, because they know that if you're not getting an AI PC when you buy your next PC, you will be left out. And this kind of confirms and hints at Windows 12 that might be a AI operating system that will require those PCs in order to work. So it will be interesting to see in this year, 2026, what will be the percentage at the end of this year of AI PCs sold. Now, once again, we did talk about it a couple of weeks ago. PC sales this year might be problematic because of the very quick rise in the price of hardware due to the high demand, especially for DRAM for the AI and for the and everything AI and servers and so on, and the data centers and so on. So we'll see how it goes, but both companies say that the rise of AI PCs, capable PCs, is really, really fast, and that it's really gaining a lot of popularity. And I guess maybe people are looking at it and saying, well, I better get maybe that AI PC because maybe that's going to be the future if I want my PC to last for a long time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.